behavioral questions. It's a very popular topic. Using STAR method, which is situation or story, task, action, and result, will help you a lot being comfortable. So whatever you are coming for the interview, keep in mind at least 2-3 kind of stories you want to talk about, how you handled some kind of situations. Story or situation. I had a problem building the weather app. Some information from the API was wrong and my app was failing. It was not getting proper results from the API server. So that's like premise story. And it's sort of a task. The task would be you had to resolve that situation. And the action would be what you actually done with this problem. The example would be like you just throw that away and like you gave up, but you didn't, right? You're a good developer. The solution could be, I went to online and searched on the forums related to that API and found that actually documentation was a bit wrong, but there was a way or workaround how to resolve that. So you found the solution, you spent your time, and you did some action on your own. And as a result, are lessons learned, what you learned from that story and from that specific case. Hey, actually, I learned that documentations could be wrong sometimes, especially for not popular APIs, and that sometimes you have to do extra study, and sometimes you have to accept that people who wrote that documentation could be obsolete or code could be wrong, and you have to dig a little bit on top. It's not always your problem, it could be a problem on other end. So you always have to do extra work, and you can resolve that, and then you can apply this rule in the future. So this kind of things shows to your potential employers that you can face some kind of problems and you can solve them. It's not always problem related to the developer and his task or her task, but most probably a communication between developers or developer and other team members within the company. They want to see how you can navigate between problems and how you communicate with other people. So they want to see you're actually a normal person. It's kind of like a filtering if you're okay or not. It's like a culture fit. They sometimes call it culture fit interview. It's usually at the end of, it could be at the very beginning, but be prepared for that as well.